Hello friends, during last video we have seen the introduction to aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, and then after we have seen the classification of aldehyde and ketone. Today we will see the classification of carboxylic acids. The functional group of carboxylic acid, it is RCOOH. Okay, and this R group, on this R group, these there are two types of carboxylic acids, and these are aliphatic and aromatic carboxylic acids. Okay, we will see the one by one. First, we will see the aliphatic carboxylic acids. The organic compounds in which carboxyl means COOH group, it is bonded to an alkyl group. It is called as aliphatic carboxylic acid or fatty acid. Okay, COOH ग्रुपला जो R ग्रुप आहे तो R ग्रुप जर अल्किल ग्रुप असेल, ठीक आहे, तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, तर ॲलिफॅटिक ग्रुप म्हटलं जातं किंवा ॲलिफॅटिक कार्बॉक्सिलिक ॲसिड्स म्हटलं जातं. ठीक आहे, आर ग्रुपच्या ऐवजी काय असणार आहे, हा अल्किल ग्रुप असणार आहे. देर इज ऑल्सो एक्सेप्शन फॉर दिस रूल as we have seen in aldehydes, and it is a formaldehyde. In carboxylic acid, formic acid, it is exception. Okay, see, formic acid, it is exception. See the formula, it is HCOOH. Okay, it does not contain the alkyl group to the COH since it is classified in aliphatic carboxylic acid. Okay, it does not contain alkyl group or R group. Okay, there are also it is included in aliphatic carboxylic acid. Okay, this is just one exceptional case. In other cases, the COOH group, it is attached to R group or alkyl group. Okay, see, these are the examples. First example, it is acetic acid. Okay, R group, it is CH3. Okay, it is called acetic acid. Another one, it is propionic acid. Why propionic acid? Because it contains 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms. Okay, 3 carbon atoms, therefore it is propane. It is an acid, therefore it is a propionic acid. It is propionic acid. And see the general formula. Okay, this R group, it is alkyl group, and this is a COOH. This is a carbonyl group. This is important. And OH. Okay, and because of OH, it is a acid, carboxylic acid. Or COH group, it is called as carbonyl functional group also. Okay, आणि हा जो R ग्रुप आहे तो अल्किल ग्रुप असेल तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, येस, aliphatic carboxylic acids. Okay, aliphatic carboxylic acids. Now, depending on the number of these COOH group present in this carboxylic acid, this carboxylic acid also classified as mono, di, tri carboxylic acid and so on. Okay, ते COOH चे ग्रुप किती आहे, ते एक असेल, दोन असतील किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त असतील, त्याच्यावरून पुन्हा एकदा क्लासिफिकेशन यांचं केलं जातं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघूयात आपण. ओके, दिलं आहे बघा, प्रोपियोनिक ऍसिड. ओके, सी फॉर एक्झाम्पल प्रोपियोनिक ऍसिड. ओके, 3 आहेत बघा इथं, आणि याच्यामध्ये एकच COOH ग्रुप आहे. ठीक आहे, एकच आहे म्हणून याला काय म्हटलं जातं, इट इज ए मोनो कार्बॉक्झिलिक ऍसिड. ठीक आहे, दुसरा आहे ऑक्झिलिक ऍसिड. याच्यामध्ये 2 COH ग्रुप आहेत, हा एक आहे आणि दुसरा इकडचा एक. ठीक आहे, असे 2 COH ग्रुप आहे, याला म्हटलं जातं डाय, 2 आहेत ना म्हणून डाय कार्बॉक्झिलिक ऍसिड. ठीक आहे, दुसरा एक आहे बघा, नेक्स्ट आहे बघा सिट्रिक ऍसिड. ओके, सिट्रिक ऍसिड कुठं असतंय, लेमन, बरोबर आहे ना, त्याच्यामध्ये जे ऍसिड येतं ते सिट्रिक ऍसिड येतं. आणि इट इज ए ट्राय कार्बॉक्झिलिक ऍसिड मीन्स इट कंटेन्स 3 COH group. Okay, C3OH, this is 1, This is 2, this is 3. Okay, it is a citric acid or citric acid. Okay, both are similar. Now we will see the another classification. It is aromatic carboxylic acids. Okay, as we all know, in aliphatic, the R group it is alkyl group, and now in aromatic, it must contain aromatic ring C. These are the compounds in which one or more carbonyl group, it is attached to directly aromatic ring. This aromatic ring is important. Okay, directly attached to aromatic ring. Okay, we will see directly examples. See, this is our first example. It is a benzoic acid. In benzoic acid, what happens? COH. Okay, it is our functional group, and it is directly attached to aromatic benzene. Okay, it is called aromatic carboxylic acid. Another example, phthalic acid. Okay, see the pronunciation. PHTHALIC. Its name it is phthalic acid. Okay, PH it is silent. Okay, in which also COH, our functional group, it is attached directly to the aromatic ring, but it contains two COH groups. Okay, see another example, acetyl salicylic acid. Okay, and it is an example of aspirin. Aspirin, it is a medicine, well-known medicine. Okay, it also contains carboxylic group, which is directly attached to the aromatic ring. Okay, and this group it is acetyl group OCOCH3. Okay, these are the classifications, aliphatic and aromatic. Now in carboxylic acids, these are widely distributed in nature. They are found in both plants as well as in animals. Okay, plant origin, animal origin. The L-lactic acid, it is present in curd. Curd means dahi. Okay, citric acid, we have seen examples of citric acid. It is found in citrus fruit, means lemon. And acetic acid, it is a key ingredient of vinegar. Okay, vinegar which we use in our kitchen most of the time. If vinegar, it is nothing but acetic acid, CH3COOH. Okay, these are some of the examples, and these carboxylic acids are widely distributed. Okay, जे आपण फूड घेतो त्या फूडमध्ये जे तिखट लागतं आपल्याला ना, जनरली म्हणतोय, जनरली जे तिखट लागतं त्याच्यामध्ये ऍसिडिक असतं. ओके, आणि ते ऍसिड हे जनरली कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड्स येतात. जनरली म्हणतोय मी, पण मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. ठीक आहे. नाव we will see the one of the important part, and it is a nomenclature of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. First of all, we will see the nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. We will see the one by one. The names of these aldehydes and carboxylic acid, these are related to each other. एकमेकांशी related आहे. बघूयात आपण. There are two systems for naming. First one it is trivial, and another one it is a IUPAC system. First we will see the trivial naming system for aldehydes and carboxylic acid. The trivial names of aliphatic aldehydes, aliphatic means R group, it is a alkyl group, are derived from corresponding trivial names of carboxylic acid. Here the name ic acid of, see, it is important, ic acid. Here the ending ic acid of carboxylic acid, it is replaced by the ending aldehyde. Okay, ic acid च्या ऐवजी काय येणार आहे इथं, aldehyde येणार आहे. Okay, and in case of substituted aliphatic carboxylic acids, in case of substituted aliphatic carboxylic acids and aldehydes, the position of substituent is indicated by labeling the carbon serially as alpha, beta, gamma, delta, omega and so on. ओके. सबस्टिट्युटेड म्हणजे काय, तर त्याला कोणतं तरी एक सबस्टिट्युएंट अटॅच असेल तर. ओके, म्हणजे एक चेन लाईक स्ट्रक्चर असेल. ओके, त्या चेन लाईक स्ट्रक्चर असे कार्बन कार्बनची चेन असेल आणि एकाला कुठेतरी मेन आपला फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटॅच असेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथं आहे COOH, म्हणजे हा आला आपला फंक्शनल ग्रुप आला. ठीक आहे. आणि हे जे पुढचे जे कार्बन्स आहेत यांना काय म्हटलं जातं, अल्फा, बीटा, गॅमा, डेल्टा, इटा, ओमेगा, सो ऑन. ठीक आहे. यांना म्हणजे सबस्टिट्युटेड. मग यांना कुठले कोणते सबस्टिट्युएंट असतील त्या कार्बनला त्या. ठीक आहे. बघणार आहोत आपण पुढे एक्झाम्पल्स असे येणार आहेत आपल्याला. द कार्बन ॲटम ॲडजस्टंट टू कार्बोनिल कार्बन, इट इज लेबल्ड ॲज अल्फा अँड नेक्स्ट टू इट इट इज ए बेटा. ओके, नोमेनक्लेचरसाठी दिलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे. कार्बोनिल कार्बनच्या शेजारचा आहे त्याला अल्फा म्हणायचं आणि त्याच्या पुढचे आहेत तो बीटा, नंतर गॅमा, नंतर डेल्टा, इटा. ओके, you will see the table. Okay, trivial names. Carboxylic acid. First one, it is a formic acid. Then CH3COH. It is acetic acid. Then propionic acid. Okay, ic acid, it is important. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 4 number of carbon atom, therefore it is called as N-butyric acid. Okay, it also contains 2 3 4 4 number of carbon atoms. Okay, and this group, it is iso group. Why iso group? One CH3 and another one CH3 and second CH have COH, therefore it is called as isobutyric acid. Okay, similarly also known as alpha methyl propionic acid. Okay, I will show you the structure of this compound. This is carbon, this is CH3, this is another one CH3, it contains hydrogen and it contains COOH. Okay, now this carbon, this carbon, it is our functional group carbon. Okay, change color. Okay, and this carbon, it is a alpha carbon. Okay, and these both carbons are beta and beta carbon. Okay, but to this alpha carbon there are two methyl groups, therefore it is called as alpha methyl propionic acid. Very simple. Okay, trivial naming system. Next one, acrylic acid. Okay, well known oxalic acid. Okay, it contains two COH groups. Then benzoic acid. Okay, to the benzene ring directly COH it is attached. It's called benzoic acid, similarly known as benzene carboxylic acid, orthotolic acid. Okay, see the position, this position, it is ortho with each other. Okay, to the ortho position there is a toluene group, CH3 group. No, it is a toluene. Okay? Orthotolic acid, salicylic acid. Okay, COH and OH directly attached at ortho position, it is called salicylic acid. Phthalic acid, we have seen 2 COOH group. Okay, and see this compound, it does not contain aromatic ring. It is not aromatic ring. It is called cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. Cyclohexyl carboxylic acid, because this ring, it is a cyclohexyl ring. Okay, these are the some of the trivial names. Now we'll see the trivial names of ketones. Okay, see these are the ketones. Okay, formaldehyde. Okay, this R group, it is a hydrogen, since it is included in, we have seen this, it is included in aliphatic aldehydes. Then acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, propionaldehyde. Okay, the important thing it is aldehyde for common name system or trivial name system. Then butyraldehyde. Okay, number of carbon atoms are 4. Then isobutyraldehyde or alpha methyl propionaldehyde. Okay, alpha methyl propionaldehyde. I will draw. This is also CH. This is CH3. This is another one CH3, and to the CH3 CHO group is aldehydic functional group, it is attached. Okay, and this carbon it is a alpha carbon and both other carbons are beta carbons. Okay, and to this alpha carbon methyl groups are attached, therefore alpha methyl propionaldehyde. Okay, trivial name, common name. Okay, another one it is acrolein. Okay, acrolein is important for the polymer synthesis. We will see this compound in that chapter. Then oxaldehyde. Okay, also it is known as glyoxal. It contains two aldehydic groups, CHO, CHO. Then benzaldehyde, benzene attached to CHO. Then orthotolualdehyde, salicylaldehyde, phthalate, cyclohexanaldehyde. Now we will see the difference. Okay, see the difference in between the aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Okay, these are near about similar. Okay, for aldehydes there is a ic acid, sorry, carboxylic acid, it is a ic acid, and for aldehydes there is a direct aldehyde group, it is attached. Okay, acetic acid. Okay, ic acid, instead of ic acid only we use aldehyde. Okay, means these names of carboxylic acids and aldehydes, these are related to each other, related to each other. Okay, ic acid for carboxylic acid and aldehyde for directly aldehyde. See other examples also. Okay, oxalic acid. Okay, ic acid, and in aldehyde it is directly aldehyde. Okay, oxaldehyde it is not possible, names are alphabets are similar, therefore in aldehyde we can use directly oxaldehyde. Okay, benzoic acid, okay, it is aromatic, therefore oic acid. Okay, that rule we also we will see. Okay, this is the table. Now we will continue. Just we have seen the trivial names of these aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Okay, see also this is important. A series of straight chain dicarboxylic acids. These are commercially known by their common names. These are the dicarboxylic acid, means they contain two COOH groups. Therefore, dicarboxylic acids. Okay, when directly two COOH groups, it is called as oxalic acid. See the names, common names. Okay, in between two COOH group, if there is a one CH2 group, what we call it as a alkyl group, then it is called as, common name it is malonic acid. It is a malonic acid. Okay, if it contains two CH2 groups, okay, then it is called as succinic acid. Three CH2 groups, then it is called as glutaric acid. Okay, see the common names. Another one it is adipic acid, and adipic acid it contains four CH2 groups. Okay, similarly, we can remember this as total number of carbon atoms, but must contain two COH group. In oxalic acid, total number of carbon atoms 2. In malonic, total number of carbon atoms 3. 4 for succinic, 5 for glutaric, and 6 for adipic acid. Okay, these are the common names. Okay, most of the times in your during regular exams question it is asked for the synthesis or any reaction, and for that purpose the common name these are used. Okay, therefore you must know the common names of all these compounds. Okay, another thing, a series of lower fatty acids, these are commercially known by the following names. These are the lower fatty acids. Lower fatty acids means they contain only one COOH group. Okay, we have seen that in table. Acetic acid, propionic acid, see the number of carbon atoms: propionic, butyric, valeric, and caproic. Okay, valeric and caproic, these are the new other names we have seen. In valeric, it contains 5 number of carbon atoms. Okay, linear chain, this chain it is a linear chain. Okay, and to that linear chain COH group is attached. Okay, its commercial name or common name valeric. Caproic acid, it contains 6 number of carbon atoms. The caproic acid we will see in polymerization chapter. It is one of the monomer for the synthesis of polymers. We will see that in chapter, just remember the names. Okay, now we will start the IUPAC names of these aldehydes and carboxylic acids. We will see one by one, because these aldehydes and carboxylic acids, their names are interconnected. Okay, according to IUPAC system, the name of an aliphatic aldehyde, see it is aliphatic aldehyde. Okay, it is derived from the name of corresponding alkane. Corresponding alkane means number of carbon atoms by replacing E of alkane. Okay, see this is E of alkane by al. Okay, al, it is for aldehyde, or commonly we can say it as aldehydes are named as alkanal. Okay, alkanal, see it is a alkane, but instead of E it contains functional group CHO and it is of aldehyde. Therefore E, it is replaced by al for aldehyde. Okay, it is a IUPAC system. Okay, other names are similar like alkane, whatever the substituent. Okay, whatever the substituent, we are not related to that, but we just related, or important thing is that because of that CHO group it is a aldehyde, and because of that instead of alkane, instead of E we add al for aldehyde. Okay, now similarly for IUPAC nomenclature system of carboxylic acids, okay, here also happens same. These are also named as corresponding alkanes, and in that alkane the ending E, it is replaced by oic acid. Okay, for carboxylic acid instead of E we use oic acid. Okay, we will see directly. Okay, alkane. Okay, both are alkanes. Okay, alkanes we have seen instead of E for aldehydes we use al. Instead of E for carboxylic acid we use oic acid. Okay, because of COOH group. Now the longest chain including CHO or COOH group, it is identified as a parent chain. Okay, common name system we will see. Okay, with the example, first we have to identify the longest chain. See for example this. Okay, this is the longest chain of carbon atoms. Okay, how many carbon atoms? 4 carbon atoms, and it is called as parent chain. Okay, then numbering of the chain is done by giving the number 1. Okay, number 1 to the CHO or COH. Okay, CHO असेल तर ह्याला 1 नंबर येणार आहे. सिमिलरली इकडे पण आहे बघा, 1 दिलेला आहे, 1 2 सेम नंबरिंग सिस्टम असणार आहे. अल्केनमध्ये करतो. फक्त फंक्शनल ग्रुपपासून त्या कार्बनपासून एक नंबर द्यायचा. अँड द नेम ऑफ सबस्टिट्युएंट इट इज इन्क्लुडेड along with its locant. Okay, whatever the substituent, these are attached. For example, here it is a CH3 group. Okay, it is only one CH group. Then it is called as its substituent, it is 3-methyl. Okay, whatever the substituent, it is directly attached. Just we have to give a locant. Okay, whatever the locant we have to give. Okay, these are the common rules which we have used in nomenclature of alkane, but just we have to take care. If it is a CHO, means our aldehyde, then at the ending we have to use al. Okay, and if it is a acid, COH, carboxylic acid, then we have to have oic acid. Okay, now see, aldehyde, CHO group and carboxylic acids, these are represented groups always present at the end of the parent chain. Okay, this is also important. The CHO group, see the CHO group. Okay, it is also end, at this end or this end we can add. Okay, both these groups are present at the end of the compound. Okay, at the end of the parent chain. Okay, now see, when CHO groups are present at two ends, okay, means there are two CHO groups are present, then the chain ending E of alkane, it is retained. Okay, in that purpose E it is not included, just we have to add suffix dial. Okay, E it is included, म्हणजे त्यावेळेस E काढायचं काही गरज नाहीये. ठीक आहे, E काढायचं नाही, तर ते काय करणार आहे आपण, तर तिथं डायल हा सफिक्स ऍड करणार आहे. सिमिलरली in case of dicarboxylic acid means two COOH groups are present at the end of compound, then we have to add dioic acid. ओके, दोन आहेत म्हणून फक्त इथं डाय आला एक एक्स्ट्रा, दोन आहेत म्हणून आहे का, बाकी अल्डेहाइडसाठी अल आहे. ओके, आणि कार्बॉक्झिलिकसाठी ओइक ऍसिड आहे, सिमिलर आहे, फक्त दोन ग्रुप्स आहेत म्हणून तिथं डाय हा सबस्टिट्युएंट आला. आणि ई त्यावेळेस काढायचा नाही, हा ई जो आहे तो सस्टेन करायचा. यू हॅव टू सस्टेन इट. ओके, in IUPAC system or in IUPAC nomenclature, an alicyclic compound, first we will see what is meant by alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compound, just a minute. Okay, alicyclic compounds, and alicyclic compounds contains one or more carbon ring which may be either saturated or unsaturated, but it does not contain aromatic character. Okay, it is called alicyclic compound. Okay, it is not aliphatic. Okay, in aliphatic R group it is alkyl group, and it is a alicyclic, means it is a cyclic compound, but this cyclic compound it is not aromatic, it is called alicyclic. Okay, in IUPAC nomenclature, an alicyclic compound in which CHO group it is attached to the ring, but ring is not aromatic, it is named as carbaldehyde. Okay, it is named as carbaldehyde. The suffix carbaldehyde it is added after the full name of the parent cycloalkane structure. Whatever the cycloalkane structure, we have to add the suffix carbaldehyde. Similarly, for an alicyclic compound containing carboxylic group, means COH group, it is directly attached to alicyclic ring. Okay, it is named as cycloalkane carboxylic acid. Okay, we will see these examples in table. Now, for substituted aromatic aldehydes and carboxylic acid, substituted means aromatic ring आहे. ओके, आणि ते aromatic ring मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूशन झालेलं आहे, म्हणजे तिथला एक H गेलेला आहे आणि त्याच्याऐवजी दुसरा कोणता तरी ग्रुप तिथे अटॅच झालेला, याला म्हटलं जातं सबस्टिट्यूटेड ॲरोमॅटिक अल्डिहाइड्स. ओके, इथं कन्फ्युजन करू नका. ॲरोमॅटिक मीन्स बेन्झिन रिंग टाईप असणार आहे आणि अलिसायक्लिक म्हणजे रिंग असणार आहे पण ती ॲरोमॅटिक नसणार आहे, बेन्झिन सोडून दुसरी कोणती रिंग असेल. ठीक आहे, मग ती सॅच्युरेटेड अनसॅच्युरेटेड पण असू शकते, मध्ये आधी कोणता तरी एखादा डबल बॉन्ड असू शकतो. ओके, पण बेन्झिन लाईक नसणार आहे अलिसायक्लिकमध्ये. आणि इकडं कोणतं आहे ॲरोमॅटिक, म्हणजे इथं असणार आहे बेन्झिन. ठीक आहे, when two or more different functional groups are present or attached to a ring, the higher priority group, it is given the lower number. Okay, there are some priority groups which we have seen in 11th standard. Okay, we will see one more time. Okay, the group which have highest priority, it is given the lower number. त्याला आधी नंबर द्यायचा, ज्याची प्रायोरिटी आधी आहे त्याला कमीत कमी नंबर द्यायचा, म्हणजे तो आधी येणार ना. बरोबर आहे. लोअर नंबर हे एक लक्षात घ्या. लोअर म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, त्याची प्रायोरिटी हायर असणार आहे, तो फर्स्ट टाइम येणार. ओके, नंतर लोअर प्रायोरिटीचे येतील. ओके, वेन CHO group appears as a substituent prefix formula, it is used in the IUPAC name. Okay, first of all we will see the priority groups. Okay, okay, the organic compounds possessing two or more functional groups. Okay, it contains two or more functional groups. This is important. Okay, it is called as polyfunctional compound when there are two or more different functional groups, one of them selected as a principal functional group and others are considered as substituent. The principal functional group is used as a suffix. जो principal असेल तो suffix म्हणून यूज करायचा आहे. ओके, आणि जे बाकीचे आहेत त्यांची प्रायोरिटी बघणार, आणि ज्याची प्रायोरिटी आधी त्याला फर्स्ट येणार आहे. ओके, the principal functional group is decided the basis of the following. See the priority order. COH most priorable, प्रायोरिटी बघा हे जास्त आहे. लोअर प्रायोरिटी त्याच्यानंतर SO3H, COOR, COCl. ओके, CET साठी या टाईपमध्ये क्वेश्चन्स विचारले जातात. नॉमेनक्लेचरवरती क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो, आपल्याला इझी वाटतो पण प्रायोरिटीज आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजेत. ठीक आहे, त्याच्यानंतर आहे CONH2, CN सायनाइड, CHO अल्डिहाइड. ओके, अल्डिहाइड इथं आहे बघा, आणि आधी ॲसिड आहे, ॲसिड सर्वात हायेस्ट प्रायोरिटी. ठीक आहे, त्याच्यानंतर कार्बोनिल CO कुठे येणार आहे, हा कीटोनिका आहे. अल्डिहाइड इट इज मोर प्रायोरेबल देन कीटोन. देन हायड्रॉक्सिल OH, NH2, double bond and triple bond. Triple bond it is lowest priority. Okay, these are the priority groups. Okay, the CHO group appears as a substituent prefix formula used in IUPAC. We will see some example. Okay, see the example. The compound it is called as 4-hydroxy. Okay, means the priority it is, or the base it is CHO. Okay, and it is a aldehyde. Okay, here is the number of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 group it is hydroxyl group, it is a priorable group. And then 3-methyl benzaldehyde. See the nomenclature, priority. Okay, 4-hydroxy 3-methyl benzaldehyde. Next one, see this is acid. Okay, acid it will be our priority. Okay, then numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Which will be more priorable, CH3 or OH? Yes, of course, OH it is more priorable. Therefore, 3-hydroxyl. Okay, it will come first. 3-hydroxyl 4-methyl benzoic acid. Okay. Then next one, CHO and COH. It is salicylic acid, common name. Okay, but IUPAC name 2-formyl benzoic acid. Okay, why 2-formyl? Okay, which will be the priority group? Yes, of course, COH, it is the priority group. Okay, means it will be the parent. Okay, therefore it is a benzoic acid. It is our parent, and CHO, it is our second priority, therefore it comes here. 2-formyl. Okay, means it is the first carbon and this is the second carbon. Okay, second carbon, it contains CHO, therefore 2-formyl benzoic acid. Okay, now the trivial and IUPAC names of some aldehydes and carboxylic acids are given in table. We will see the table. Now we will see the full table. Okay, aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Okay, see the IUPAC names. Methanoic acid. Okay, see methane. Methane, instead of E we use oic acid. Okay, similarly for aldehydes, instead of E we use al. Okay, Al for aldehyde. Methane. Another one, it is ethane. Number of carbon atoms are 2. Okay, instead of E, for it is an acid, it contains COH group, therefore we use ethanoic acid. Okay, similarly for ethanol. Okay, the names of these carboxylic acids and aldehydes are related to each other. Okay, near about similar, just the difference, it is a functional group. Okay, then another one, it is propanoic acid. Okay, we will see for carboxylic acid first, then butanoic acid. See the number of carbon atoms, then substituted. Okay, 2-methyl propanoic acid. Okay, I will draw the structure for this compound for IUPAC purpose. CH3. Okay, CHCOOH. Okay, and this CH3, it contains another one CH3 group. Okay, and both these CH3 groups are written like this. Okay, now our regular system numbering first, then this is second, and this is third. Okay, due to 3 number of carbon atoms, it is a propanoic acid. Okay, but the second carbon, it contains CH3 group, therefore it is called 2-methyl propanoic acid. Okay, similarly 2-methyl propanol. Okay, then see this compound prop 2-enoic acid. ओके, आता याच्यामध्ये काय होते हे पण व्यवस्थित बघून घ्या. ओके, प्रोप 2-enoic acid. प्रोप म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, तर नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम्स काउंट करा, 1 2 आणि 3 म्हणून काय प्रोप. ओके, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये सेकंड कार्बनच्या पुढे आहे डबल बॉन्ड आहे का, हा फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड इथं आहे हा डबल बॉन्ड, म्हणून प्रोप 2 इन आणि तिथलं ई काढलेलं आहे आणि ई काढून तिथं काय टाकलं आहे ऑइक ॲसिड. हा क्लिअर आहे. ओके, प्रोप 2 इनॉइक ॲसिड. ओके, सिमिलरली इकडे पण आहे प्रोप 2 इनॉल. ई एन ई होता ना, ई काढून तिथं काय आला. ठीक आहे, देन नेक्स्ट वन इथेन डायुक ॲसिड. 2 आहेत बघा, 2 कार्बन आहेत म्हणून इथेन आणि 2 COH आहेत ना, बरोबर आहे का. आता इथं ई काढलेला नाहीये, सी ई इट इज सस्टेन. Similarly for aldehyde, first we will see carboxylic acid. For 2 COH groups, E it is sustained, and because 2 COH we use dioic acid. Okay, clear it for you. Okay, ethane. Okay, it is as it is, number of carbon atoms 2, and another one is dioic acid. Okay, similarly for ethane diol, okay, two CHO groups. Okay, then next one for aromatic benzoic acid, then 2-methyl benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid, it is similar, but the second carbon atoms, it contains CH3 groups. Okay, similar to methyl benzaldehyde. Okay, benzene ring and it contains CHO. Okay, benzaldehyde. Okay, this aldehyde, it is also called as carbaldehyde. Okay, but generally it is not used. Commonly it is called as benzaldehyde. Okay, next one, it is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, COH, 2-hydroxy. Similarly here also CHO and it contains another one OH, 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay, names are similar for carboxylic acid and aldehydes. Okay, near about similar. Benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Okay, phthalic acid. Benzene 1,2. This is the benzene and first and second carbon atom. It contains 2 COH. Therefore, 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Similarly for here also phthalaldehyde. Benzene 1,2 di see, it is a dicarbaldehyde. Okay, then another one, it is not a benzene ring. Okay, it is a cyclohexane. It is called as cyclohexyl carboxylic acid, and here also cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Okay, it is a aldehyde. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Okay, these are the IUPAC nomenclatures for the carboxylic acid and aldehydes. Okay, these names are related with each other, therefore we have seen commonly. Okay, and their names are similar, but what is the difference? In carboxylic acid we add ic acid, for aldehyde we add al. Oh, sorry, for IUPAC carboxylic acid we add oic acid. Okay, this is oic acid, and for trivial name ic acid. In IUPAC aldehyde we add al instead of e. Okay, now just we have seen IUPAC names of these aldehydes, carboxylic acids. Common names we have already seen. Now we will see the nomenclature of ketones. Okay, trivial and IUPAC names of ketones. Okay, what is the functional group of ketone? It is a COR dash. Okay, first we will go for trivial names of these aliphatic ketones are based on the name of alkyl groups or aryl groups attached to that carbonyl group. We have seen the classification, aliphatic as well as aromatic. Name it is similar, but the names of these alkyl or aryl groups are written in alphabetical order followed by the word ketone. Okay, whatever the alkyl or aryl groups, these are arranged alphabetical order. Why alphabetical order? Because there are two groups now. R C O R dash. Okay, see the functional group. It is R C O R dash. Okay, two alkyl groups or aryl groups. Okay, therefore these are arranged alphabetical order. Okay, and at the end we add ketone. Okay, in case of substituted aliphatic ketones. Okay, substituted means there is a one substitution in that chain. The position of substitute entity is indicated by labeling the carbon serially as alpha, beta, gamma, delta, eta, omega. Okay, as we have seen for aldehydes and ketones. Okay, the substituent These are denoted or indicated by using labeling like alpha beta. Okay, the carbon atom adjacent to carbonyl carbon, it is labeled as alpha. ओके, कार्बोनिल कार्बनच्या शेजारचा जो आहे तो अल्फा आणि त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट येईल तो बीटा, गॅमा, डेल्टा. ओके, द नेम्स ऑफ aromatic ketones are based on a phenome. Okay, we will see the table directly. Okay, see the trivial names or common names. Okay, see the compound CO. Okay, two methyl groups, therefore it is called as dimethyl ketone. And one of the most common name of this compound, it is acetone. Most common name, one of the important solvent. Okay, another one, it is ethyl methyl ketone. See, this is the ethyl group and another one, it is methyl group. We will arrange alphabetically, therefore E comes first. Ethyl methyl ketone. Then methyl N-propyl, this is N-propyl, alphabetical order. Methyl N-propyl ketone. Then diethyl ketone. Both R groups are similar. Okay, now go for substituted. Okay, substituted. See, this is the substitution to the CH group or R group. Okay, it is called as alpha. Okay, see, this is the carbonyl carbon. Okay, and near to that carbon it is called as alpha carbon. It is called alpha bromoethylene. Okay, alpha bromoethylene propyl ketone. This is the propyl group. Alpha bromoethylene. Okay, propyl ketone. Okay, another one, CO. Okay, see the structure of this compound. Try to draw this compound. Okay, try to draw this compound. It is called mesithyl oxide. It is called mesithyl oxide. Okay, other names, they does not contain common name, uncommon compounds. Okay, they have IUPAC names, we will see. Okay, then trivial names, it is called diphenyl ketone. Okay, both groups are aromatic or benzene, therefore it is called as diphenyl 2. Okay, another one, it is methyl phenyl ketone. Okay, alphabetical arrangement, this is the methyl, it comes first, then phenyl, and it is a ketone. Okay, very simple nomenclature system, just we have to arrange alphabetical order, follow, and then at the end we have to add word, and it is a ketone. Okay, this is the trivial naming system. Okay, and substituent are represented by alpha, beta, gamma, delta, eta, omega, and so on. Okay, now we will see the IUPAC names, IUPAC names. For IUPAC nomenclature system, the aliphatic ketones, these are derived from the names of corresponding alkanes. Okay, similarly इथं पण alkanes येणार आहेत, but we have to replace E of that alkane with on. Okay, because it is a ketone. Okay, we have to replace E. Okay, this is E. This is not included, it is a alkane. Instead of alkane, okay, E, it is replaced by OAE, ONE, 1. Okay, see the name, we will see like this. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. See, here it is represented very well manner. Okay, it is alkane. Okay, naming system, it is like alkane, like we have seen in carboxylic acid and aldehyde. Similarly, these are the alkane, but instead of E, we have to add ONE because of the ketonic functional group. Instead of E, we use ONE. Now, the longest chain of carbon atoms containing the ketonic carbonyl group, it is numbered from the end closer to the carbonyl group. ओके, जर लॉंगेस्ट चेन असेल कार्बनची, जो आर ग्रुप आहे त्याच्यामध्ये लॉंगेस्ट चेन असेल कार्बनची, तर त्याच्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं, जर कार्बोनिल ग्रुप जिकडून जवळ असेल किंवा क्लोजर असेल, ओके, तिकडून काय केलं जातं, नंबरिंग केलं जातं. ओके, कार्बोनिल ग्रुप काय पाहिजे, क्लोजर पाहिजे. बघूयात आपण एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये. When two CO groups means two ketonic groups are present. The end E of alkane it is retained and suffix dione it is added. Okay, दोन जर CO ग्रुप असतील म्हणजे किटोनिक ग्रुप असतील, ओके, अल्डेहाइड आणि कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडमध्ये बघितलं होतं आपण, तसं सिमिलरली इथे पण केलं जातं. तर त्या केसमध्ये अल्किनमधला ई काढला जात नाही. इट इज सस्टेनड or retained. Okay, and just we have to add suffix dione, di one it is for ketone. Okay, okay, in case of polyfunctional ketones, polyfunctional means number of functional groups are different or more, higher priority it is given to the lower number. Okay, मॅक्झिमम प्रायोरिटी कोणाला दिली जाते की ज्याचा नंबर किंवा ज्याची प्रायोरिटी जास्त असेल त्याला लोवेस्ट नंबर दिला जातो. प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप्स आपण बघितलेले आहेत. ओके, लोअर नंबर व्यवस्थित समजून घ्या. ज्याची प्रायोरिटी जास्त त्याचा नंबर काय असणार आहे, लो असणार आहे. आपण पुन्हा एकदा बघूयात. ओके, हा आहे बघा चार्ट. ज्याची प्रायोरिटी जास्त त्याला नंबर कमी असणार आहे. ठीक आहे, तो असणार आहे पॅरेंट ग्रुप असणार आहे. ठीक आहे, पोझिशन पण बघून घ्या. CHO आणि त्याच्यानंतर किटोनिक आहे, म्हणजे याला लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी आहे. ओके, बाकीचे आहेत ते त्याच्यापेक्षा लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी. ओके, when ketonic carbonyl it is lower priority then it is called as oxo. ओके, कीटोनला जर सर्वात लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी असेल तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, ऑक्सो म्हटलं जातं. प्रोसिड्स बाय द लोकंट, लोकंट आधी जे आधीचे असणार आहेत ना ते देणार आणि त्याच्यानंतर ऑक्सो. ओके, किंवा पॅरेंट जर कीटोन असेल तर तिथं ऑक्सो म्हटलं जातं त्याला कंपाऊंडला. ओके, वी विल सी द टेबल एक्झाम्पल्स डायरेक्टली, वी विल अंडरस्टँड व्हेरी वेल. Okay, trivial names and IUPAC names. Okay, number of carbon atoms 3, therefore it is called as propanone. Okay, it is a propane, 3 carbon atoms. No? Okay, instead of E, we have to add ONE. Okay, we have replaced E with ONE. Okay, the next compound it contains 4 number of carbon atoms, means it is a butane. Okay, it is a butane, and instead of E we have used ONE. Okay, it contains ketonic functional group. Another one it is pentane, but now in this pentane we have to give numbering. Okay, but the numbering it must contains the lowest number. Okay, जिकडून कमीत कमी नंबर येणार आहे. लॉंगेस्ट चेन जर असेल तर तिथं लोवेस्ट नंबरिंग जिकडून येणार आहे कार्बोनिलला तिकडून नंबरिंग केलं जातं. आणि त्या कार्बनला किटोनिक ग्रुप आहे म्हणून काय बघा, पेंटेन 2 म्हणजे सेकंड जो कार्बन आहे तिथं ONE म्हणजे काय आहे तर किटोनिक ग्रुप आहे. ठीक आहे, इट इज अ कार्बोनिल और किटोनिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप. ओके, अनदर वन इट इज पेंटेन 3 3 means third carbon, it contains ketonic group. Okay, next one it is 2-bromo. ओके, डायरेक्टली इकडे सबस्टिट्युएंट आहे म्हणून इकडून काय केलेले नंबरिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, सेकंडला ब्रोमो, थर्डला किटोनिक. ओके, 2-bromo हेक्झेन 3-ONE. ओके, 2-bromo हेक्झेन 3-ON, 2-bromo हेक्झेन 3-ON. ओके, नेक्स्ट आता इकडचा दिलेला आहे बघा. ओके, मिसिटिल ऑक्साइड, कॉमन नेम, ट्रिवियल नेम. ओके, आता याच्यामध्ये काय आता नंबरिंग व्यवस्थित बघून घ्या. 4 मिथिल काय केलेलं आहे तर इकडून नंबरिंग केलेलं आहे याला. ठीक आहे, आय विल शो यू द नंबरिंग. ओके, 1 2 3 4 आणि याच्यापैकी एक आहे तो 5 असणार आहे. ठीक आहे, मग इकडून का केलेलं आहे तर याच्यामध्ये कार्बोनिल ग्रुप काय येतोय लोवेस्ट नंबरला इकडून येतोय का नाही म्हणून इकडून केलेलं आहे. ओके, कारण हायएस्ट प्रायोरिटी. ठीक आहे, मग आता इकडून केल्यानंतर 4 मिथिल, 4ला एक मिथिल ग्रुप आहे. पेंट, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम आहेत 5 म्हणून पेंट 3En. 3En मीन्स थर्ड कार्बनला बघा डबल बॉन्ड 1 2 आणि 3ला आला का इथे डबल बॉन्ड. ठीक आहे, 3 in and 2 on. Okay, 3 in 2 ओन. ओके, व्यवस्थित बघून घ्या. नंबरिंग प्रायोरिटी कसे दिलेले आहेत ते आपण बघून घ्या. ओके, 4 मिथिल, फोर्थ कार्बनला आहे मिथिल, इथं 2 आहेत CH3. ठीक आहे, एक येणार आहे तो चेनमध्ये पकडलेला आहे नंबरिंगमध्ये, आणि एक असणार आहे सबस्टिट्युएंट म्हणून 4 मिथिल पेंट 3 इन, थर्ड कार्बनला डबल बॉन्ड आहे 3 इन अँड 2 ओन. ठीक आहे, त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट कंपाऊंड बघून घ्या. हेक्झेन 1,2 हेक्झेन 1,2 डायोन. ओके, आता इथं 2 CO ग्रुप आहेत, 2 कार्बोनिल ग्रुप आहेत, किटोनिक ग्रुप आहेत. मग याच्यामध्ये ई आपण रिमूव्ह करत नाही किंवा एक्सपेल करत नाही, आहे का, 1 आणि 2. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे इथं ई आहे बघा, सस्टेन केलेला आहे, रिटेन केलेला आहे. फक्त नंबर ऑफ कार्बनला जिथं 2 किटोनिक ग्रुप आहेत ते नंबरिंग केलेलं आहे. नाव काय बघा, हेक्झेन 2,4 डायोन, सेकंड आणि फोर्थ कार्बनला किटोनिक ग्रुप आहे. दिस इज सेकंड कार्बन अँड दिस इज द फोर्थ कार्बन. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट वन 3-ऑक्सो ब्युटेनॉल. ओके, ऑक्सो का, तर हा किटोनिक ग्रुप आहे. ओके, आणि सिमिलरली इथं CHO ग्रुप पण आहे, अल्डिहाइड पण आहे ना. ओके, अल्डिहाइड इज हायेस्ट प्रायोरिटी. ओके, म्हणून इथं बघा काय केलेलं आहे, केलेलं आहे अल्डिहाइड. ओके, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन आयटम्स आहेत 4 म्हणून काय बघा ब्युटेन आहे. ओके, फक्त थर्ड कार्बनला काय इथं ओक्झो म्हणजे किटोनिक ग्रुप आहे, तिथं काय होणार आहे ओक्झो प्रायोरिटीमध्ये. ठीक आहे, 3-ऑक्सो ब्युटेनॉल. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट बेन्झोफिनोन, नेक्स्ट ॲसिटोफिनोन. दीज आर द नेम्स. नेक्स्ट सायक्लोहेक्झेनॉन आहे ना, त्याच्यामध्ये काय येतं बघा, सायक्लिक कंपाऊंड आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये एक डबल बॉन्ड O आहे, म्हणजे हा CO कार्बोनिल आहे ना, म्हणजे हा किटोनिक आहे. ओके, मग याचं नाव काय आहे बघा, याला डायरेक्ट नंबरिंग केलं जातं. नंबरिंग हे फर्स्ट असणार आहे, त्याच्यानंतर पुढचा कार्बन येणार आहे तो सेकंड, हा आला सेकंड येणार, त्याच्यानंतर इकडे येणार आहे थर्ड, फोर्थ. ओके, सबस्टिट्युएंट बघून घ्या. सेकंड क्लोरो, 2 नंबरच्याला आहे क्लोरो आहे, हा सेकंड आहे ना, 2 क्लोरो 4 मिथिल, 4 नंबरच्याला मिथिल आहे, हा आहे 4 बघा, फोर्थ आहे त्याला आहे हा मिथिल ग्रुप आहे, इथं मिथिल ग्रुप असतो CH3. सायक्लोहेक्झॅनोन. ओके, सायक्लोहेक्झॅनोन, सायक्लोहेक्झेन आहे आणि त्याला किटोन आहे म्हणून सायक्लोहेक्झॅनोन. ठीक आहे, 2 क्लोरो 4 मिथिल सायक्लोहेक्झॅनोन. okay, these are the common names, okay, and IUPAC names for ketones. Okay, the next part, these are the synthesis methods. We will cover this point in our next lecture. Today we will stop for this video. Thank you very much.